Alright, show me that new trick you've been talking about.
Alright, I haven't got the hang of it yet, but here it is.
Would you look at that? Not bad, not bad. You're going to be one hell of a therapy dog, Perro.
Aw, shucks. Actually, I was wondering if I could see you try?
Yeah, I don't know. Cute and death don't really mix.
Aw, just once.
I'll pass.
I'll never ask again.
Then don't.
Pretty please.
Nah.
Please.
That won't work on me, Perrito. So you can quit trying.
A lot of convincing later.
Pay attention, cause I'm only gonna do this once. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah, alright, let's get this over with.
You look so cute.
Now, never mention this to anyone.
Don't worry, I won't tell a soul.
Gracias.